Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you the easy Sunny Blooms flower crochet blanket pattern or crochet kit. Whether you're looking to create a stunning new piece for your home or need a thoughtful handmade gift, this blanket is just perfect. In today's video, we're thrilled to introduce you to the easy Sunny Blooms flower crochet blanket pattern kit. Whether you're looking to add a touch of handmade charm to your home or searching for the perfect gift, this blanket is sure to impress. Crochet a beautiful blanket with the crochet kit or crochet pattern. The Sunny Blooms blanket is the perfect floral blanket to make for your home. Cheerful, giant blooms adorn this quick-to-make, squishy blanket that's modern vintage. With your large hook and super bulky yarn, this throw works up like a dream. Featuring zinnias, daisies, and purple dahlias, each square is made with the same pattern using different colored yarns. Inspired by the colorful, lightweight Meadow Flowers blanket, this uses the same easy square pattern but works up super fast with large squares. This kit has everything you need to crochet a beautiful Sunny Blooms blanket. It includes super bulky yarn in a variety of vibrant colors and a detailed pattern booklet. You can also just download the pattern and use your own yarn to crochet this beauty. The Sunny Blooms blanket is a delightful blend of cheerful, giant blooms like zinnias, daisies, and purple dahlias. Each square is made using the same simple pattern, but with different colored yarns to create a vibrant, modern vintage look. Let's get started. It's easy and quick to make this comfy, cozy throw. Grab your crochet hook and get started. First, we begin with a magic ring and our yarn as detailed in the crochet instructions. This helps us create that lovely, full bloom effect. Then, we follow the simple pattern to form the petals of our flower. With each round, you'll see your flower taking shape. Don't worry if you're a beginner. This pattern is designed to be easy to follow. And because we're using super bulky yarn, each square works up really fast. Once you've made all your floral squares, it's time to join them. Lay out your squares in the pattern you love and simply crochet them together. You can choose any color combo to make your blanket truly unique. The kit includes everything you need: super bulky yarn in a variety of colors and a detailed pattern booklet. With a large hook and our easy-to-follow instructions, you'll find that this blanket works up quickly and beautifully. Inspired by the lightweight Meadow Flowers blanket, the Sunny Blooms blanket uses the same easy square pattern but creates larger, squishier squares for a quicker finish. Plus, you can choose any color combination you love to make this blanket truly your own. Learn more in the description below about this beautiful blanket, highlighting the key features of the kit, and share some tips on how to make the most of your crocheting experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new project. Happy crocheting, everyone! Watch now and get inspired to create your own Sunny Blooms flower crochet blanket. And there you have it, your very own Sunny Blooms flower crochet blanket. It's colorful, cozy, and brings a touch of handmade charm to any room. Check out the pattern kit or download the pattern in the link description below.